Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Splash Flash sale of toilet paper. First of all, I'd like to welcome each and every users who have joined us. Let me just have a look who all is here. Okay, a lot of people. Hi, Kevin. Thank you so much for buying our product. So, first of all, let me just see how many of you know what is a splash, what product is it. I mean, if you know, please send us in the comments. Yes, Chloe, it's a type of toilet paper. I mean, the company which manufacture beautiful toilet papers amongst a lot of fragrances. Now, how it works, let me just quickly tell you. I'll ask you a couple of questions, and whosoever answers it first will get this vouchers and maybe a surprise gift voucher from Splash. So, first question, here it goes. Tell me the number of fragrances which it comes in. I mean, the toilet rolls. How many number of fragrances does it comes in? The okay. Matt has given the answer. 64 is the correct answer, Matt. You are the lucky winner to answer a question the very first time, and you get this blue block. So let me just quickly tell you what is blue block. It's a toilet paper. Again, you can put it in the toilet and use it as per your need. Thank you so much for answering a question. And quickly, let me just introduce you to the to this blue block. Ones who, if you don't know this, please use it. This is the new product that Splash has launched. So go out, use the coupon code SPLASH50 and get 50% sale right away. 50% off for you, but you have to use it within 24 hours. And here it is. Come on, who all knows the next question? If you could just tell me 5 fragrances that it comes in. Come on, 5 fragrances. Okay, Joe, it's lemon, right? Orange, okay. But you have to tell me 3 more. Okay, who all is there? Natalia, okay, and okay. Sydney, yes, Sydney has given us the correct answer. Oh, she's given actually more than 5 answer, like more than 5 fragrances that it comes in. Okay, it's lemon, rose, okay, orange, wait, lemon, rose, orange, Burberry and strawberry. Yes, thank you so much for answering this. And you also get this blue block for your correct answer. You can just DM us on this page. Thank you so much for answering our question. And this is not how I expected this sale to go on. Thank you so much, everybody, for this overwhelming response. I am absolutely loving all of the comments that you guys are dropping in. Okay, I know you guys love that. Okay, Kevin again is saying, okay, wonderful things. All right, David, thank you so much that you use it. And if you guys want to recommend any of the products from the Splash, what would it be? Please tell me in the comments. I would love to know. And if you have used it, what was your experience about it? Splash is always open to get the feedback from the consumers, because that's all it's about. Thank you so much, everybody, for this overwhelming response again. All right, let me just see who all are answering. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, you all, I can see you all use Splash. Okay, we have got one question. If we have any liquids. Okay, thank you so much, Andrea. Okay, Andrea, thank you so much for that question. So for now, Splash is making a lot of toiletries, toilet papers, and this blue block is the new launch of Splash. Quickly, it might come with another products. You never know. But thank you so much for the suggestion. It will definitely go to the board. And with that, the Splash Flash sale is about to end. This is the only platform where you can get the sale and the Splash products on discount. Thank you so much for joining in, everybody. Please keep an eye on the page and the website. There are a lot of offers that are available, coupon codes that you can use from here, apply to your shopping code, and you can get it availed. For now, thank you so much. That's all from Splash Sale. We would look forward to get connected to you and splash it out. See ya.